In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen images in Photoshop, an essential skill for elevating the visual impact of your photos. Whether you're a budding photographer or a graphic designer, understanding how to enhance image clarity can make a world of difference in your projects. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you have it installed and updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you're in, open the image you'd like to work on. Simply go to File at the top left, click Open, and choose your desired image file. It's worth mentioning that starting with a high-resolution image will yield the best sharpening results, so keep that in mind while selecting your photo. Next, decide which part of the image needs sharpening. You might want to sharpen the entire image or perhaps just a specific section. If you're focusing on a particular area, use any of the selection tools Photoshop offers, like the lasso or magic wand, to isolate the section you want to enhance. This granularity allows finer control over your final output. Now, let's move on to the sharpening process itself. Navigate to the filter menu at the top of the screen. This is where magic happens with various tools to enhance or transform your image. From the drop-down menu, find and hover over Sharpen. You'll see several options like Sharpen, Sharpen More, Smart Sharpen, and Unsharp Mask. Each has its unique benefits, but for beginners, I recommend starting with Smart Sharpen due to its ease of use and effectiveness. Once you select Smart Sharpen, a dialog box will pop up displaying several sliders and settings. You'll see controls for adjusting the amount, radius, and reducing noise. These options allow you to customize how sharp you want the image to be. Adjust the amount slider to control the overall sharpening strength. The radius affects the size of the details. A larger radius means larger details are sharpened. Play around with these settings while keeping an eye on the preview of your image and watch as your image comes to life. Before finalizing, pay attention to the Reduce Noise slider. Sharpening can sometimes introduce unwanted noise or graininess, so use this slider to smooth out any roughness that might result from making your image clearer. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, press OK to apply the changes. Congratulations, you've successfully sharpened your image in Photoshop. This technique is valuable for enhancing the quality and focus of your images, making them more vivid and professional. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different settings to master the art of image sharpening. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.